Jael lives in an olive. Jael and her family lived in a pitted olive. They had a hole in the roof. On a hot sunny day, they felt like they were burning. On a rainy day, water entered from the hole, and they got soaked wet. So one day, Jael told her father that they should repair the hole in the roof with dough. The following morning, her dad went to the supermarket to buy the dough. As he arrived home, he put the ladder against the olive and started to climb. Halfway, he realized that it was broken, so he climbed down and together with Jael went to buy another ladder. On their way, they saw a hungry dog, so they decided to buy him something. They bought him a bottle of water and ice cream. The dog felt happy that they were generous and thought about him. After the dog gulped everything down, Jael and her dad continued on their way. After they arrived at the shop, and Jael's dad chose a ladder, as the time arrived to pay the bill, he couldn't find the wallet. After a few minutes, the dog arrived with the father's wallet in his mouth that he took back from the thief. Jael's father was very happy. Now in the olive mended with the pizza dough lived Jael, her father, her sister and mother, and the dog they named Police.